Are you an introvert? Let me tell you that it's okay to be an introvert. Yes, the good news is that there's nothing wrong in being an introvert, right? I am an introvert. I don't like to mingle with people. I'm not so social, right? So it's your nature. If you can't change it, that's absolutely okay. If you can't change it, you can't change it, right? It's your nature. If you look at my inner circle, I do have like handful of maybe 3 or 4 friends. So that's okay to have less friends. But remember, I am very different on stage. I am very different when I have to address people. So remember that when required, you have to speak. So you have to practice speaking to people as well. You cannot stay back saying that I'm an introvert. I don't want to speak to people. If you are an introvert, you're not social, you're not a party animal, you don't like to go to parties, you don't like to, address huge gatherings, that's okay. But speak when required. Speak to your boss, speak to your client, speak to your team, speak to your colleagues, speak, but be an introvert.